So as you can see, I've decided to get straight on with the progress. So we're cutting the trees down, the ones that were blocking the pathway for us to put the fence up. It's a really sad moment because the trees are very large and I really wanted to keep them, but there's no other way because the land is too small for the trees and we can't put the dividing fence up. So all of these trees have been cut down. We're going to plant more. For every tree that we've cut down, we're going to plant some smaller ones. But these ones were just too huge for the land. This is a massive mango tree, and we're going to use the wood actually from the trees to make some charcoal, and we'll be able to sell the charcoal and buy some more trees to plant on the land. So that's what they're doing at the moment. They're just clearing the land and chopping the trees down into smaller bits so that we can make the charcoal. They're going to show us how to make charcoal in a traditional way. They're going to make the charcoal on the land. And so I'm looking forward to showing you that. I'm looking forward to seeing that myself. So we're starting to collect piles of wood, as you can see there. I think they're going to take all the greenery off or let the greenery dry out, and then they're going to chop these smaller and make charcoal. I'm also going to keep the larger pieces of tree trunk to make some wooden furniture to use on the land, so I'll be able to show you that as well. So looking forward to showing that video, and hope you stay